Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Just on my home. Okay guys, for today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be talking, I feel like, a little bit of everything. We are going to share with you things that we love that are very on a budget.
And we're gonna be talking about items like a collapsible washing machine.
To like this. Do you know what is this?
It is a silicone bottle opener.
Yeah guys, and you can get these for less than $1. And these are things that you never think you need before your life.
But it can be a life changer.
Yeah, and you need it. I'm gonna show you really quick how it works. I'm really bad opening cans and things like this. I'm so bad at this.
Yes,
but this is but this is a lifesaver. You just have to put it on the top and open it. This is a life changer, and you can get things like this on an amazing price at Temu. And guys, we want to thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. We're going to be talking about everything, and if you don't know what Temu is
the #1 downloaded app in the App Store. Temu is a marketplace platform that you can find many categories on it.
Yes, like clothing, kitchen, beauty, toys, and home decoration.
And also stuff that I like.
That you like.
Electronics, outdoor stuff, tools, automotive,
Yeah.
and you name it.
There is so much things that you can find there on a budget, guys. It's amazing. It's super easy to use. You can download for free, and it's so much fun to use that app. We love it so much. We use it every single day to try to find.
There's even games on it that you can get free stuff when you play it. I mean,
you love that.
It's awesome. I play every single day. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The most amazing thing is that you can get up to 90% off on items in the site.
They have a free shipping and also free returns up to 90 days. The most important thing, guys, we find a coupon code that you can use to save even more money. So we're going to leave you that coupon code here in the screen, but you can also get that coupon code on the description box.
Yes.
We're going to leave you that there, and all of the things that we got in today's video, we're going to leave you like the link, so it's easy.
So the only thing that you need to do is download the app with our code and start shopping.
Yes.
So the first item that I'm going to show you is this backseat cover for our vehicle. It comes in many colors and is a best seller on the app. We love it because we have kids, and you know how kids are in the vehicles. And we recently bought a new vehicle, so we want to take care of it, and we find this for less than $12. It's super comfortable. It's a non-slip material, and it's kind of like a velvet. I think our kids will like it, and it's gonna protect our car at the same time. That's amazing, huh?
If you are very short like me, I can never reach the chains from the ceiling fan. And another problem that I have is that I can never like difference between the light bulb and the fan. That's my problem all the time. And I got these chains from Temu too. They're so beautiful. They come in a bunch of colors. The one that I got is in this bronze antique color. It's super cute. It's going to work perfect for my kids' room because they can difference between the light bulb and the fan, and it's going to work perfect for me too because I always have that problem. And guys, you can get these in so many other styles. For less than $5, you can get 2 pairs of these, so I have enough for my 2 kids' bedrooms.
So guys, you know that we use many tools in our channel, and something that we didn't have is a chainsaw. This chainsaw is for using it with our electric drill. It's pretty awesome because we didn't have one, and I always wanted one, and I find it at Temu. This is something pretty cool that you connect your drill right here in the back, and it will work as a regular chainsaw. It's pretty awesome, and you can get it at a really good price on Temu. This is the #1 bestseller, and it has more than 6,000 reviews on Temu. This is my favorite items from all of the ones that we got from Temu. Look at this.
Oh no.
So the next item is pretty cool. It is a gas level indicator. It's magnet, pretty thin, and it really does the job. These can also be a life changer. Here in Puerto Rico, we use gas tanks, and they're pretty small. These will tell us how much gas we have in it. Since they are pretty small, they can run out pretty fast, and we can track it with this, and you can get 2 of these for less than $4. How amazing is it?
Okay guys, it's my turn and I'm going to show you something that I really like that I was trying to find, and I got it on Temu, so I was really excited when I saw this. They have a bunch of different ones that you can choose from, and it's this hair wax stick. This is perfect for smooth down flyaways and frizzy hair along the hairline and nape areas. It's pretty easy to use. It looks like a deodorant, but you can put it on your hair and it really does the job. You can get this for less than $5, and you can get them like on a bundle. I use this a lot. I use it on my daughter's hair too. I think it's perfect now for the back to school, and I have seen so many like influencers using these for their hair. I finally got it on Temu and I'm so surprised with the quality, how it works and everything, so I highly recommend this product. Next item is this ice maker tray that you can get on Temu. They come to in a package, but you have so many options there that you can also try, and I really love it. It's really cute and it's perfect for my home because we have a refrigerator that does not have like this ice maker machine insulated, and here in Puerto Rico it's so hot. We need ice with all of our drinks, and this is going to be perfect. You just have to open this, put the water inside, add the cup, and then put this on the refrigerator for a couple hours, and that's it. You're going to have like these perfect ice balls for your drinks. This is another very trendy piece that you maybe have seen in so many like social media, and of course you can get it on Temu for less than $2.
I have a question for you. Have you seen this before? It is a collapsible washing machine. The one that we mentioned before. I'm gonna show you. This is a pretty cool washing machine that you can get some pieces of clothes here. We're planning on using it for like camping, but also sometimes we run short on clothes for our kids for school. We can use this washing machine, some piece of cloth right there. It has 3 different options for washing that you can use, and I think it's pretty cool. It comes in different sizes and colors, and it's pretty easy to carry to any place.
Do you know those tiny vampires? We have a lot of them. And I'm talking about mosquitoes. If you have that same problem, you need this. It's so cool. It looks like a bird cage and it's super cute. I feel like it looks very aesthetic, but it does the job. It's a rechargeable electric shock mosquito lamp. It's very effective for outdoors and indoors, and you can get rid of those mosquitoes in minutes. And remember guys that you can also get things like this on Temu on sale all the time, so download the app and check every single day for those sales.
So the next item that I'm gonna show you is this solar panel that we're gonna use for our security cameras. We have wireless cameras at home, and it's kind of difficult to get the ladder and go up there, take it out, recharge them. So we decided to buy this solar panel that will make our life easier, you know? You can get this right now for less than $15. And also, not only that, almost every item is on sale right now. So this is one of those products that are on sale. So please make sure you download the app so you don't miss any of those offers right there. And you can start saving money with our coupon code. How about that? Speaking of solar panels, here in Puerto Rico, we have many power outages, so we need to get ready for the hurricane season and our daily life. We got this power bank that have 3 solar panels attached on it. This is amazing. It charges pretty well. Also, it have 2 USB connectors right here and 1 charging port. But the good thing is that we can also have a flashlight. And it has many modes that you can choose from. We also love it because we do many camping stuff and we like to hike and go to many places, so we can get our portable solar power bank anywhere. We like to charge our phones, smart devices like watches, and many other stuff. Speaking of power outages, we also find on Temu this rechargeable battery flashlight. There's a charging port right here. Also, you get a charging cable. This is perfect for outdoors, camping, power outages, and daily use. And you can get it for less than $4 at Temu.
If you know me well, guys, you know that I'm pretty messy when I'm painting all of the walls in my house. I always have a mess with the paint on the floor and everything, and I found the perfect tool at Temu. It is this plastic scraper tool that you can get for less than $2. It doesn't scratch your car or your windows or the glass or the wood, and it's so awesome. You can get 2 in a package and the price is amazing.
So here is our next item. This is a foldable car windshield sunshade. It blocks UV rays and provides heat insulation protection for auto, trucks, and cars. It is pretty awesome. You can get it for about $8, and if you're gonna buy these in other marketplaces, you're gonna pay a lot more for it.
And guys, another thing that I found at Temu, I think it's one of my favorite things that I got, are these Wisconsin lamps that you can get there. They're beautiful. They're perfect for my home. I'm planning on putting this on my living room, and I really like it. It's super easy to mount. And a really cool tip that I can give you, if you don't want to use like a real electricity on this, you can use a battery bulb. You can put it right here. At least that's my plan. That's the way I'm going to use them, and I'm so excited to finally make a small makeover on my living room. Put these. They're going to look absolutely beautiful. You can get 2 in the packet, $30, both of them. It's amazing, and I love this. This is my style, and I love it. And if you are really hot like me here in Puerto Rico, I got this really cute fan at Temu. It costs less than $2. I think it's perfect for a tea party or something like that. It's so fashionable, and I love it. So you can also get this on Temu. I love it. Okay, guys, so these are all of the things that we got from Temu that we love and that you are going to love too if you bought them. Make sure that you check our description box. We're going to leave you the link of Temu app there. It's free. Is the #1 app, so you need to download so you can start saving money right now.
So guys, we hope you like this video, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. As always, remember to follow us on our social media pages, also our webpage jasonline.com. All the links are in the description box. Remember to download the Temu app because you're gonna save a lot of money there.
Yeah, guys, love you so much, and see you
in the next one.
Bye.